Hello everyone. Welcome back to another episode. So we are now on the series of the Epicenter, the application starter kit. Hey Samuel, so glad to see you. Right from the beginning, I saw your message the other day, still didn't have time to comment back. So sorry, but I was happy that moment to see you are following as always. Thank you so much. How are you today? Hola, hola Sergio. ¿Qué tal? Bien? Let's go, let's build some stuff, yeah? This starter kit, I hope it will be great for a lot of people. Let's go. What do I want to do? I want to put some background music. Hopefully, todo bien, Sergio. Sorry if I'm not pronouncing your name perfect. I know I'm not, but you get the picture. Sergio, you know. Sergio. Hopefully, yeah. So please do let me know if the sound is too loud. Okay, so someone was able to cut the replay, so that's cool. Hope you are enjoying this. You're also enjoying Vue, right? So that will be cool, I think. Let's jump back into the screen. Okay. Let's do this. Okay, so let's go to our folder. Check this. Yeah. Now it's Epicenter, right? Okay, cool. So let's go to the API. Let's get the app and running. Let's detach. No problem. Whoops. So I'm gonna stop everything because I did docker compose up -d. I wanted to do sail up -d as we are using sail. So there are some environment variables. So Samuel is, yeah, the volume is too high. Let me put it down. Okay, so 10% down. I have an audio mixer on the way. I will be able to control myself, the output, to monitor the output. Until then, if you can kindly inform me also that's okay, maybe now it's better. I hope the microphone sound is okay. Maybe it was just the music too loud. I cut it from in a third, so hopefully it should be good now. Okay, thank you so much. If you can kindly let me know again. Okay, so API is up and running. Let's go to our app, the front end. Let's npm dev, put it to run. Let's do this. Here we go. Browser Epicenter. Or at least the start of that. Let's keep it like this. Full screen, no problem. Yeah. So this is Nuxt with Vuetify. Just the default installation. And now we will get a different layout from the theme of João Teixeira. He's kind enough to let use it. Maybe let's just, or maybe it's all in the previous stream. So what happened happened was that we were going into pages, into news page, I think. Yeah. We were retrieving some authenticated data that we could only get after logging. So we saw all of these logging. Oh, music. Oh. Is it better now? I guess it should be. 1, 2, sound. I'm so sorry, guys. I'm guessing it should be better now. It seems on my end that you cannot hear anything at all. Maybe I'll drop it down here. This is still weird for me, sorry. Okay, so let's keep it. I'll try to keep it 10% and around half. What about now? Should it? Thank you, Samuel. Thank you, Sergio. Okay. So getting back to the stream, let's continue our application. I hope you are enjoying your afternoon. If you are working or following along or just watching on the side, please comment what you like and don't like. Let's build this together, right? Okay, so what I'm going to do now is on the second screen I'm going to open other projects, and I will just start porting configuration instead of typing everything, and we will change some stuff. Okay, so I think this can be, let's open a new window. There we go. So if we go to git status, everything is committed, so this is going to be just for today. So what are we going to do? We are going to do a back office area, so mainly all pages will be authenticated, right? I mean, if not all of them. So the rule is that they are authenticated. So after we installed Nuxt.js auth module, we will configure a middleware, and with this middleware we will say that I'll try to find if there is router configured already. Nope. So let's just say that this this is the I like to have it. Yeah, okay, but it's yelling at me, so I'll just drop it. Okay, so this means that all pages are going to have a middleware, but there is some that it will not. So I mean, our index page, how's it going to be? It's going to be a redirect for the dashboard, and there should be login and logout and stuff. So let's go directly with that. I will start porting the theme. So let's do it. I will grab from the other project that is open the build modules. There are some configs. about Next.js Vuetify module. So let's grab modules. Oh no, build modules. So instead of just using the default, we will be using some custom config. Okay, so let me go and dive in directly. Okay, we should have some reference to the author. Okay, so this was Epicenter build setup. Okay, I'll leave it right now. This is from Next.js, so I'll delete it from here. So Epicenter application. So maybe this could be in the top level README file. Not sure. Even so, this is an application starter kit. It is an internal tool for an organization, just like an intranet with internal organization. Maybe this is with custom Oh no, I clicked some shortcut. Okay, I hope everything is well again. If you can, maybe, I think I did something wrong. Let me check. As well. Okay, cool. Thank you, Samuel, because the streaming application told me no one was watching and I had to put back the pictures. So, okay, thank you so much. Okay, so with custom requirements, the goal is to have a foundation to build custom a custom tool or set of tools to build. I don't want to repeat myself here, so to build custom requirements in a quick way, swift way. Okay, the stack for this is Laravel, Vue. Oh, but this should be on the global README, I think. Even so, Laravel, Vue, Nuxt, Vuetify, Docker, and I'm thinking also Tailwind. Let's see what happens. The stack they used is composed by Laravel. It means sanctum, not a stateful API. Not a stateless API. easy, let's say let's call it an stateful API, quick and easy. Not sure about this. I'll have to revisit documentation. So what I wanted to do is to reference the author that is helping with this, with the design. So I want to put some credits, not credits, but oh, because I would then want to put so many people, because I mean all this ecosystem from Laravel, all the packages, all the stuff, I think it just wouldn't feel natural to just credit someone and leaving people out. So what I'm going to do is the design is the foundation. The foundation for the design is a blast version from João Teixeira. Check. So this is the link. Template link. Yeah. So this is the template that you might want to check out, and we'll be having the base layout in the open source version. But then if you want to make your work so much faster, then you might want to check out the product and acquire it. Maybe it will be so much faster. For sure, if you're building a big application, it can be so much faster for you to come from already made portions of application. Of course, this is what we are also doing with the starter kit, but in a different scope. So yeah, let it only for the custom and integration with Laravel. So yeah, you might want to check this out. Thank you, João. There we go. So, okay, let's get back to this. And we are putting build modules. So what's more in relation to the... Okay, so head, it's going to be called epicenter, so we need the port, initial scale 1, description, this is going to be for SEO, link for icon, yeah, so in the links, we need to put something more. So in the link section of the head, we need to put this more config. Maybe we will change it for pop-ins or for inter, just to make it a little bit more corporate. Suggestion also from João. So, and we need some config that comes from other place. So let me check. What is this config? And we are getting the icons, right? And yeah, icons, and it's an array. So config slash configs, okay. Icons. I guess I'll keep it like that. So it's a good structure. So let's make the app folder. This is where our Nuxt application is living, right? So what happened? Because it's not inside source, right? Application .next and assets is inside. So everything is residing by the package.json. Okay. I'm not going to worry with this for now. So I'm gonna go and add a configs folder, and inside I'm going to place the icons, and so this link will be going, it's from material design icons, and is going to be linked into here. But config still needs to export icons, so we need an index file, and here we'll just import icons from config icons. Okay, yeah, and then we're gonna export default an object where we will have icons. So yeah, we are exporting. Okay. So now we need to import config. I mean configs from add configs. And why is this called config? Yeah. So I'm gonna go with this because it's the same name. So configs will export the object. It's not the named export. Sometimes I still get confused, but if all went well, I'm saving. Config is not defined, of course. This broke the build, so we cannot find the module add/configs. Why is that? If you are able to find config/icons, okay. So what do you say from /configs? I think you're gonna. Whoa. So config/icons. Oh, right. It's because I'm almost sure this should be inside the source folder, and I'm going to try and do it right now. Shouldn't this be like this? I'm guessing so. Install. No. This is not good like this. So plugins will also go. right? Assets and components and layouts also. Static and store also inside the source directory. Source of app. So yeah, this is infrastructure, okay. Just not sure. So I cannot find module configs. Okay, why? Because yeah, we now need the source configs. If this points there. Index.js. But it's not finding. You think you need to add the add alias, but wasn't this supposed, but like add configs? Somehow, no. What was this? Is it in package.json? Also, isn't there some configuration? So like, where's the main? What is that? No. No. Okay, so where can this be configured? Where's the add folder? Must be configured somewhere, right? Pretty sure like this it has to work, right? But the thing is, okay, so this is a full source, so like this for sure it will go, right? And this was the IDE suggesting to me, so I was going to go with that, but I know in Webpack we can make an alias and then this will be that folder, and in Nuxt there's also an alias done for us. I'm just not thinking it's that one. So what plugin was not found? API/JS. Okay, so let me check. So Nuxt.js. Yeah, we started to putting some plugins. And what is our tilde folder? So yeah, this is where, let me start clearing out stuff. Til/config, so this is going to break really soon. So yeah, assets, variables, yeah, so okay. Samuel already confirmed Nuxt as an add alias by default. Yeah, I'm not sure why. Does it have the tilde? What's the difference? Because the tilde should point. Why isn't this working inside the source directory? Now I got it. We can do it. I overlooked in the beginning, so let's put this indicating we are the tilde folder, it's our source, because the source directory is going to be source. So yeah, it feels more clean like this. And now we need some assets from that template. Thank you, Samuel, for the help. So I'm guessing these assets are just not the same, right? There's not. So let's get it.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, 'cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going
These
wrong
variables
with all the
came
chemicals
from
up in my
the
brain. All of a sudden I
default.
don't look at anything the same way.
Trying to change. I wanted a different song, so like a chill out song. How can I call it?
I love the chase and the hunt, and I set
Ambient
the pace
sound.
when I'm running. I always take
I hope you enjoyed. Okay, so this default Vuetify installation makes okay, so this is the new one. So our tilde, it's the source directory now. So configs Vuetify.js. Let me get also that file. So there we go. We now have it. And theme. It's also using that. So let's hope it does not break now. I'll just stop it, restart. Let's see what happens. Okay, so it's something not found. What is it? Theme.js. Yeah, so it's another file. That should be used, yeah, right here. So this is also another one. Let's go. So this file cannot be found. This file cannot be found. Let me close everything. I'm gonna go back into Nuxt and this Vuetify module. I'm not sure if it's installed in the template, so let me check. And it's not. Oh, yes it is. In dev dependencies. So it's just that it's not used. Yeah, it's just not used. The configuration is not in Nuxt.js, it's in its own file. So yeah, there's that. npm run dev, let's go. And for now it seems that, yeah, so all is clean again. And now we can refresh and we can already see some looks are changing. So our redirection went to auth sign in. Why? Because we gave it in the auth module, saying that when we need to put a environment variable for this. So I said that when we want to after login or after logout, we want to go to this page. So yeah, before, to log in, let's go to this page, and after logout, let's go to this page. So let's do it right now. So I'm going into pages and getting the auth directory that has the sign in page. And this sign in page will depend on other stuff. So the layout is missing. It's going to need the auth. Auth is false, meaning the middleware it will not apply. And then there's some form, and this is something I usually do. sorry, let's skip music. Okay, and when we are in localhost, I want to fill just with default authentication stuff. So let's do that, meaning that, oh no, we'll need the layout, default and error. So let's add a authentication. So this will have, oh, the product name. I'm not very fan of Vuex, but because it's Nuxt auth, it's what we have to use. But for the application, we'll be using Pinia. And what's more, we will have to have this configuration. So configs.index. We wanna display some information. So about our application, and this is going to be epicenter, and for now, for the time being, let's go with 0.0.1. Even so, I think we'll get these later on from package.json, probably. I don't know, not sure. Okay, so I guess I'm also pulling the theme, exporting theme, as we are here. So yeah, I want to refresh and auth sign in. An error occurred. Why? Why did an error occur? Server responded with a state of 401. So that's expected. And then we should see the authentication form, right? So just gonna go and rebuild because we need layout, auth, app, product. Oh, so I think we might run into some trouble because some stuff. So this is why we are getting those issues for sure. So reading state, yeah. So doesn't matter because we won't, I think we won't be doing it. I'm not sure. Okay, so let me grab that. Store for the application, I mean for the skeleton, app index, mutations. So we are getting stuff from configs that we should have. And okay, global theme, right to left, content boxed, menu theme. What more features are we getting out? Time zone, time format, currency, toolbar detached. So I think this all comes from the state. Yeah, so it's like modular. So I think we're going just to leave this. We are not going to go with currency. And what's about time? Time in configs. So let's it's a time format for a view filter for format date. So we should then have to, oh, but I guess this will be too much, so we'll not use time for the time being. That's a pun, not intended. Okay. Please guys, let me know if you're enjoying. Any questions, let me know. Time related configuration and currency. It's gotta go. So we'll have stuff related to theming, so that's okay. I'm just going to rebuild the application. So this is cool. Let's refresh, and we're wanting to read currency, and I wonder why is that? Why is that? Index.js. Where are we wanting to read currency? Oh, there we go. Okay, cool. We just want the product and theme. Theme related stuff, that's okay. Let's go. Compiled and refresh. Let's see where it goes. So we are now needing translations that are not defined. I guess we're gonna go with JavaScript translations for now. Maybe later we are going to put a different package to get translations also from Laravel, because then let's see where it goes. So to have $T installed, we have to put some plugins for sure. So yeah, it's Nuxt i18n. It right here, so let's do that. Well, stop the build, so npm install Nuxt I internationalization. That's what this means. Okay, so it should be installed by now, and let's go. Config file, and in the build modules we will add some configuration for Nuxt i18n. Okay, so I think I want to keep it thin. I don't know how is this going to be, but for sure I don't want to leave stuff that are not being used. So okay, so config.locals, we need those. Config.locals is not defined, right? So let's get configs, locales, and default locale will be English. Okay, that's cool. So this also needs to export it, right? So let's go into the model index and this is self-explanatory. So this is app information, and let's also import locales, and let's export it. Right? Cool. Let's try to build. If whoop, config is not defined. Sorry. And where is it not defined? Oh, yeah. Because we are going with plural here, just like the folder name. Getting kind of hot, a little bit hot right here. So, and finally, we are with a sign-in page, right? So there's an illustration missing, so means we'll get it. So this should be where it's static, right? Yeah. Static. Let's get it. Static. I guess we'll just use favicon. Where is it? What can we do? I don't know. What will we do? What's this favicon? Okay, it's Nuxt. Okay, cool. Let's going to go with images, and that's okay. Let's paste illustrations. Yeah, so those are some SVGs. Not sure, did it compile again? Maybe not. I want it to be published. So I'm gonna go and refresh again, and sure enough we do have the illustration right now. We can change that. And what happened? Let's make a sanity check. So right now we went into our application, we just click localhost 3000. And what happened? So, Nuxt in the first routing mechanism took us to index.view, or at least it wants to take us to this index.view, but you do remember there is no middleware defined in the component. Oh, Samuel, awesome, thank you. We are here, we arrived. So, we wanted to go here, but because we have a router definition somewhere near, okay, so it means every view, every page will have the authentication middleware, and it comes with Nuxt.js auth, so we need to be authenticated. Because we are not, we got redirected into this page. So it's essentially that. So now, how did this package see if we were authenticated? With Laravel Sanctum, with the provider Sanctum, and it already made that AJAX request. We got a photo one unauthorized, and from there we are redirected. And we already have pre-filled the credentials that should be in the database. So this UI is very rich, it's very cool. Vuetify is very cool. And also this looks admin from João, it's red. So let's go. Sign in, and if all went well, we are already logged in. Because I mean, it's not found, this page, but we can go to index, and or just index, and we are still visiting. You remember these components in the other theme. Right now we are with Nuxt admin, and there we go. So just changing position in the share. So we should now try to find something. So just like to make a welcome page. So there's the index, inspire, and news. So if we go to news page, we should see, there we go, we got some news from the backend. So these two news that are from an authenticated route endpoint. If we were to run this in an incognito window, we are thrown out, right? So I'm gonna refresh that. And no, I'm going to do enter. Let's delete, inspect, and let's preserve log after redirect. So I'm going to do enter in localhost 3000/news, and all inspections. So I clicked enter, and what happened? No, this tried to, so it wasn't this. It couldn't have been this response. Was it an Ajax? Yeah, it had to be, I think, because we go to news. Let me clean everything. Preserve log, enter, all requests. This is going to news. News will try to go. Whoops, I just closed it. What's happening here? Maybe it's the logic in the domain, because when we are created, let's get news, and we're going to try to go to the API/news. It's the call to this API I wanted to find. So let's catch it. And response or error. So let's console.log that error. And sure enough, if we go to the same inspector, let's open up the console. Smaller. Clean, going to news, and oh, it does not eat, of course, because that's so silly of me. It does not even visit the page because it's authenticated. So never mind about that. I'm so sorry. So yeah, let's clean this up. And what is going to happen? We're going to have the authenticated page, the index component can it be like the dashboard? Just not to be the index. I think I'm okay with that. So it's like a view router redirect. So this will go to the dashboard page after redirect. So let's go with news. Maybe in this inspire, it was already here, right? Inspire. Okay. What can we do? We are going into news. So let's. Whoa! I cannot log out. Yeah, this is okay. No problem. I'll bring it back. Yeah, so this is okay. Hey Sergio, is it still too loud for you? Okay, me take care of something else. What about now? 1, 2, sound. 1, 2, yeah. I'm so not sure what is this about. Oh, in headphones you have it louder. I don't know what happens. I mean, I don't listen to the output, so just when I will get the other mix table. What about now, Sergio? Should have been reduced. 1, 2, sound. Oh, thank you so much. Gracias, man. Okay, so let's get... We already have the auth. So let's get, because this is an internal tool with modules, let's get our other layout. Let's get our default layout from copy pasting. Hello, Ayek. How are you doing? Welcome back. Welcome. Nice to see you again. So we're already having a login page, or at least we should. Oh, but now I just introduced more stuff, so glad you're fine. Okay, so I just changed the default layout. We're already having a login page, and we're now finishing with the layout. So let's do that. I guess we'll have to bring in some components from navigation and toolbar. Okay, let's do that. I guess we can get rid of those, but no problem. So let's get components from navigation and toolbar. I guess we won't need all of them, so not language, not currency. That's something we want to keep out. And of course we'll have the sidebar with a menu, and that's okay. So toolbar, language and currency are out of the scope. Oh, yeah, but for now it is. Maybe we'll bring it. Yeah. I guess we will most likely bring at least a translation, but for now we need to get as soon as possible up and running, and then we will take care of that. So menu, we cannot read menu, and why is that? Navigation dot menu. Okay, so we need navigation. So navigation object must be, what is it? What is navigation object? Oh, it's config dot navigation. Okay, let's get that. So we are importing config from .configs, okay. So here we will need navigation. Configs, navigation. Cool. Index, I think we'll have to put it right here. So navigation. And also we have to export it right. Navigation. So refreshing. Oh, the build is broken for sure. So yeah. Pages.menu. Whoa. So what's happening here? Oh yeah. So side menu will have the dashboard link. And footer. We can put some links. But also, where is menu pages being used? I think it's not, but let me check. Yeah, so let's leave it out. We'll just have one navigation item. I guess we'll have it in JavaScript. Maybe you can get it from Laravel in a database, or let's see what happens. Let's see our application. So yeah, we already have a navigation. I hope you enjoy this. So this is zoomed in. Okay. So dashboard. There's a directive short key. There's user. What's going on? So many errors. Let's clean this up. So what happens? Toolbar user. Property or method menu is not defined. Toolbar user. So let's go. config.toolbar.user. That's because, yeah, the toolbar links are not defined, and they're going to be, because there are configs for that. And this is another link. It does not exist right now. So now, what happened here? Oh yeah. So I'm gonna go with toolbar as to have it. I mean the index. Yep. So wanna go with that. Let's see if we can. Is it broken? Nope. Building again. Let's refresh. And there we go. We have a second navigation for the user stuff. And we have an application navigation. Hi, Kairul. I think it's the first time I see you here. Welcome, welcome. Nice to see you. Share with us. Are you okay? Hope you enjoy your stay and that I pronounced your name correctly. So, there's also needing the short key, but for now I think that would be for the search with a shortcut, right? So, where are we getting that? Most likely on the default layout, right? Yeah. So add short key, yeah. Okay. We won't be needing this. Yeah, on that short key we would focus the search field. So for now, let's leave it empty. Welcome, welcome. Yeah. Okay, so no more errors. I mean, that's a hot model reloading warning about. Not sure what this is, but it's about the hot model replacement, so no worries. something about the dev environment. So I'm going to say that we can go to the Inspire page, maybe from there. So let's clean this up a little bit. So the toolbar, is it an email? Oh, it's another it's a quick menu. I'll leave it for now. I'm just going to use, I don't know, Inspire, just to have something there, right? And if we go there, we go to Inspire. It still didn't change because, why? Menu.profile, so is this from the app? So let me change here, refreshing. Oh, and we want to show V. I think these were some assets, some static assets that were there before. Yeah, no problem. So no, this is profile. Yeah, because even so it's going to Inspire, but I'm just not sure. Why isn't the text changed? I think it must be something related. So because that module was not replaced. So it's a ECMAScript module that was not replaced, meaning still not. How come? This is a mystery for me. Okay, but no, not okay. Let's we have to keep on going. So dashboard, we don't have a dashboard page, but we should. So let's turn our news into the dashboard, where we're going to get authenticated data. We don't need login and logout functions anymore. When we create a component, let's retrieve it. We'll do it also with Nuxt async data method hook, but this can be also in the component. It's more near to my flow. So we don't need this computed anymore. We just have some news. Yeah. So we don't need this card. Even so, yeah, we have our admin user here. So yeah, let's get rid of that. And what's next? Yeah. So we made a request to /news to the Laravel endpoint, and sure enough, we're already getting. And yeah, so I can log out, and we go to the sign-in page. So let's make some sanity check. So pages, we have the page where we sign in. The index page tries to go to redirect. Whoa, got it. We want to go to dashboard. Dashboard will be the news for now. And there's also a Inspire page. So I deleted this image from here, but yeah, I can still get it, I think. Let me just try to find this. So it's going to be Epicenter, right? And from the local changes, I deleted 2 files. And they should be back for now. There we go. But even so, they should be in the different folder. Okay, so static empty folder for now. If we were to refresh and go into the Inspire page, yeah, so now we have it. Going back to dashboard, profile, logout, and we can log in again. So yeah, there we go. We have this thing right with the front end already. So what do I want to do in the the other epi? Okay, so build setup. Don't know exactly where I'll store the next steps, but I have to do it. And we'll get that in Notion, where I've been starting some. Guys, do you have any questions? Something that you'd like to see? Let me know. So episode 2, this happened, right? So yeah, we're going now on episode 3. And I guess let's copy this. What happened today? We are 1 hour 13 in. Thank you, Samuel. Let me know if anything comes to your mind. So we want to go, we already done these 2 steps. We already have a theme done, layout auth done, and yeah, composition API and Pinia store. I think we can try to squash this in the last 10 minutes. So this would be cool. So also with the theme, we've got navigation, sign in, dashboard, news, profile, inspire. What else? We got the translations installed. What's more? Do you remember anything more that we've done today? Layout. We still didn't see the error layout. Okay, we'll see that later. Components. I guess we can delete those. So let's just leave Nuxt logo for now. Pages. Where are we using? Oh, in Inspire. So it's only v.png and also Nuxt logo. It's also inline. So yeah, this is cool. So sign in. No, not this. Where am I? On a static, yeah. Vuetify logo. No, we're using that. Inspire. No, we're using PNG. So can we do Vuetify logo? Okay, it's so much better in terms of margin bottom. We should define it a height, right? Okay, so logo height. So style, style, scope. So I don't know, 120 pixels. Why is this? Is it defined somewhere? Script style. What's happening? Invalid property. Why? What's wrong in here? Oh, so nothing. It was just, I don't know. Maybe the template. Oh, so it was just loading something. Okay, just reducing some margin here. Okay. So this is going to be the profile page. Log out, log in. Yeah. Pretty happy with the result for today. So the news page, at least we see something with our eyes, not only we know. I mean, there's UI and that's always good. So composition API and Pinia store. I guess we could squash that in, but then it wouldn't be so. Yeah, it's not gonna be in 10 minutes. Who am I fooling, right? So yeah. Oh, we need to put some many configs like URLs in a environment in an environment variables file. Okay. Pretty happy with this. And soon enough we can start building our first entity and a CRUD, a form, some uploads and media, and I think it's going to be cool. Whoop, yeah. Okay guys, I think we will call it a day for today. Let me know if you're having any questions before we finish. Okay, so there's a little delay from the YouTube chat typically, but I think that no one is having any questions, so I'm guessing we can call it a day for today. Maybe we can make a second round. Hey, Samuel, no problem. It was my pleasure being with you guys again. Thank you so much. I really hope we can make this project grow, and with the stuff of having components pre-built, like, I think it's gonna be good for people wanting to use Vue and Vuetify next. Let's see, I hope. Yeah, so that's good. So, lots of things done. Translations. Oh, I need to clean translations. So what's it going to do? So right now I'll just keep the English file. Let's make... Whoa. No problem, Karul. It was great to having you on. Come back anytime. Thank you so much. So Karul is saying need to watch your previous video. Well, you can if you want to learn how everything was built from scratch. But also the goal is to make the starter kit, so most likely if you just want to use this stack for your next application, you can already download this. It's on GitHub, so you can use it right now and see for yourself. So yeah, if you follow along with the previous videos, you'll be able to do some stuff already. Hopefully you will enjoy. That's what I'm going for. That's what I'm wanting. So, what can I do? I just wanted to keep this clean, but this is... So, okay, verify component pages. So this is from the template. So yeah, let's clean this up. We'll be very lean. Just have what's needed. Sergio is suggesting, and very well, fix the music volume at current level. Yeah, I have to keep this into mind. It's not very easy. Hopefully, yeah. So yeah. Yes, for next videos. Thank you. I have to do that. So login, forgot password or something, not found, user menu. So that's the key, I'm guessing, for the navigation. So configs, so like toolbar, menu.profile. Oh, so that's where the translation is. Menu.profile, right? Yeah. Okay, so common, board, chat, email. I mean common. Yeah, never mind. Let's just delete it all. So did I delete a menu? Top level menu? I'm guessing yes. So what if I refresh? Oh, so why did this break? Maybe it was trying to load files. It loaded files before I deleted them, so that might be the case. Let me check. Okay, refresh. No, it's still asking for translations, and I'm asking why. Why do you want translations if you don't know that they exist? Oh no. Right, you do know they exist. Okay, so let's go just with English for now. We want to keep things short. Of course, later we will solve the thing. Okay, so we're back into game. Yeah, menu profile, menu logout, menu dashboard. Yeah, so we deleted in English. So let's go with menu. We need profile. We need dashboard. And we need logout, right? So dashboard, profile and logout. So this profile is going to be for now. Oh yeah, inspire, is it? I mean, no. It's going to have to be profile for sure. Menu.profile. So in the toolbar we will have profile / profile, and this is going to be nothing for now. So yeah, what's missing? Yeah, the page must be profile, right? Inspire should be called profile. Let's open it up. Want to change the name for the DevTools maybe. So it should be done by now. So if I click profile, there we go. We have just an Inspire, and we can go back to dashboard, and we are loading from the backend. Okay, so we can see another request. Yeah, so this is cool. And very well, we are finishing it as is. Okay, translations, store, cool. To changing theme, we will have buttons to change theme, but you'll also be able to change all these. I'm guessing v.png is not needed anymore. Vuetify logo, we're still using it. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4 pages. We did layout, we did configs. Everything should be okay. I'm going to guess that everyone's going to want a theme switcher for the dark theme. Components. Nuxt logo is not even used, so I'll leave it for now. So you can also change stuff. Let me check. Inspector. If we come to, what is that? Yeah, here, UX. If we're gonna go to app, and we're gonna make it dark. Shouldn't these make it dark? I was thinking so. Where was that? Where's that? It was in configs, right? Main theme, global. Oh, global theme, light or dark? Most likely, yeah, it has to be through the commit. Yeah. Okay, no issues, no problem. Yeah, let's finish it for today. Guys, I want to thank you so much for being here. I'll finish the commit offline already. So again, if you have any questions, now is the time. What is this? Oh, it's even smaller. Okay. I think we're going to go. Again, Samuel, Sergio, Kairul, Aek, everyone seeing live, seeing after the recording. I hope you are enjoying this starter kit, that you will want to use it, contribute with some components in the future. So let's see where it all goes. Yeah, Sergio, I'm wanting to keep going. Yeah, let's do this. Yeah. Okay. Now is the time. Guys, I want to thank you so much. See you on the next one. And as always, happy coding.